worse on the people on the ground. And them, some of them don't know them mama.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So guys, me know some more sound no see it. So me know most on probably see the video already with Gully. Gully reached out to Auntie Donna for some help, and Auntie Donna put him on her platform and seeking assistance for him because people sickness and a good song. Miss when sickness take you, remember me tell us it's not a good thing. But guys, me gonna make you go over and watch the video. But this video is about Gully data. She come out and speak her mind. So before no going on, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Put on a post notification so you know each time I upload a video. So I'm gonna make you go over and watch the video. So guys, now that you know watch the video, tell me what you think about this video. And guys, if you can help, if I have $1 can be a good help, cause liquor is much when God is in it, you understand? So tell me what you think about this whole video with Gully data. So guys, until next time, your girl is out.
Mr. Gully, you mo come bout. You mo come bout. When I go on social media and I come talk about not even social media. When I go on a Donna yard and when Donna go ask you if you have children, yeah, I go talk about picking them worse than people. And we don't know our mother, we don't know our mama or whatever. Me come to you about that. Me come feel for that now. You know how much pitney you have? How much pitney you have? You don't know how much pitney you have. Let me tell you how much pitney you get. You get 3 away. You get 2 girl, you get 1 boy. Yeah. 3 away you get. Yeah. You're gonna the woman yard gonna talk about you're hungry and you're sick. You're not on a clothes. And people have to give you clothes for when they want the video and then something there. Ambition, you know, a raw ambition you have. You know, a fucking ambition. Eh? You boss 2 times. 2 times you boss. God open doors for you 2 times. Not 1 time, but 2 times God open doors for you. And you're in the high life. Plus with the hype life. You're too hype. So God put your back down. Yeah. You couldn't wall out like you rest of them. You see your mouth not no filter. You go around and you disrespect everybody. Everybody you disrespect. But you know the good thing about it, you see 3 people in them where you have, what you get, they're not disrespectful. Yeah, they're not disrespectful. A good people them you get. We don't know how you enter in our genes. But I tell you this and tell you this again. Stop go tell people about picnic worse than you and worse than people. Tap it. Cause first thing first, you boss big wedding here. You don't have a roof over your head. You don't have a little account. You have nothing to prove. You have your mother grand spend. You don't say, alright then, my boss, I'm help out my mother. You don't have to help me out, you know. You don't have to help me out. Cause we are big people. You don't have to help me out. The same little boy will boss you. You not help him. Where you come from, grand spin. You know say alright then. Make you keep when you just boss, make you open keep a little treat for them, keep a little something for the people them. No, you don't do that. You hype, you show off, you bossy. No, you're sick. Look like them old maga dog. Yeah. Look like something Them dog with the malnutrition and starving dog, we are see all of them ribs. I see you look. Anyway, don't come on social media come talk about no pitney. Me I keep repeating it in your fucking head. Come on, you for year. Me know nobody can call on no phone or ask if me not go look for no father, no look for no daddy. I don't have no daddy. This a one girl no have none, and none of you can come tell me about me have daddy because I do have no daddy. I do have no daddy. And the next thing we can come past your dirty place. And I can come talk about we not even know we mama. Breaks and come again. We know our mother. We know a nice clean mother. Who you know? You have your nice clean mother grandson. Your business with her? Your business with her? So don't come on social media come talk shit. You got England where there and you send them how much in money to how much in people at England, from England. So you send them money. Anybody will send them your money to down at Jamaica, go to them and tell them say you're hungry. Go find Chin and tell Chin say you're hungry. Or go back to Amari and tell Amari say you're hungry. And then you spend your money pan. I can't talk about pitney worse than people with a bright self. No mention no fucking pitney name in your dirty mouth. Don't do it. It's very disrespectful. You know no manners to people when you're in the streets. Me watch all one little video with you where you public hospital you disrespect the people them down there. But if I me did I walk down there, me I tell you the honest truth. One bad injection me I give you. One good. Me never call it bad injection. One nice clean injection me I give you. You're too disrespectful. So when you come mention pitney about your mind who? Mind which pitney your mind? Which one I pitney them your mind? Tell me pitney them where your mind. Your mind no pitney at all. Thank you. Don't come back on social media, come mention not born a pitney. You have your son, the one and only boy pitney you have. In the back of your pee clock when you just boss. It is nice to see a little boy back of you and you're running away. You're running away because a girl. Because a girl make you run him away. Dirty mouth chin. You run him away. Tell me how you feel. None of your pitney them is not with you. Because that's how you treat we. It's to how you treat we. Nobody no want their own you. Nobody no know you. But me sorry say, when you got Donna yard, you never dash it to water and run you from the yard gate. That's all me have to say. Don't come back on social media contact about no friggin' pitney. Because you don't get no pitney.